Senior .NET devs, you ever read a comment that says one thing, but the code does something completely different? Comments lie, but code doesn't. Here's what happens. Someone writes a method, it's confusing, so they add a comment explaining it. 6 months later, someone changes the method, and they don't update the comment. Now the comment is wrong, and the next developer trusts the comment. And I've seen this play out dozens of times across enterprise code bases. The comment says calculates tax. The code calculates tax and applies a discount and sends a notification. The comment stopped being true 3 pull requests ago. But here's the you already know this reframe for you. Comments explain what code does, but the code already explains what it does. And if it doesn't, then the problem is not missing comments. The problem is unclear code. So instead of writing a comment, ask yourself, can I rename this variable? Can I extract this method with a great name? Can I make the code itself tell the story? So one question for you. Do you have comments in your code base that nobody has verified in years? One action. Find one confusing method today. Instead of adding a comment, refactor it until the code explains itself. Comments rot, but code gets executed. So make the code tell the truth. I'm Chad Carter, helping .NET teams ship production apps faster. You already know what you're doing, so now go and ship it. And hey, if this helped, you know the drill. Plus, you may want to go ahead and share this with a dev that you like. And I'll see you in the next video.